G-Cruise project is also well underway and it's well within schedule. We were fortunate to get a teeny bit extension to some of the timelines, so we're capitalizing on that. The G-Cruise project, for public knowledge, is the excavations that are happening now along the Calivigny main road, Marian main road. It is also happening over the hills, so that is all part of the G-Cruise project. Different projects as they were. Like the UK SIF project, these areas we're going to also be concentrating heavily on the road reinstatement in these areas. But from a progress standpoint, we're quite comfortable under the G-Cruise projects in terms of the deliverables. You would see in terms of the tanks and so on. Most of the tanks are up. You have the tanks on the hill in Guangkai well underway. Peggy's Whyme is completed. We have 2 tanks in Karakou that are also well underway. So a lot is happening there and it's progressing quite nicely. But the concentration for us is the restoration of public safety as best we can. So we're going to be concentrating not so much more on excavation, but so much more on road reinstatement across the board. All in all, the G-Cruise project is coming on significantly okay, and from a risk standpoint, this project is going to be completed within the project timeline without any worry or risk of not finishing.